Hello everyone, this is Dr. Alan Craig with Harmony Hearing Center. Thank you so much for taking a few minutes and letting me into your world. I wanted to take just a couple of minutes and talk about a topic or a question that has come up a number of times over the years of my career, and that is, which hearing aid company is best? Or perhaps, does it really matter which company made my hearing aids or manufactured my hearing aids? I can tell you without question, I can tell you without doubt that it absolutely does matter. When I started a little over 27 years ago, there were over 60 hearing aid companies that operated in the United States and around the world. That was a lot to keep up with, to be honest with you. But over the last 27 years, through mergers and acquisitions and companies just shuttering their doors, although even now you can get online and you can find a lot of brand names of hearing aids, the number of actual hearing aid companies or hearing aid manufacturers can be counted on one hand. And they are not all the same, not at all. There are a few ways, at least in my mind, that the hearing aid companies differ or set themselves apart from their competitors. One of those, and probably the most important one, is how the hearing aids actually perform for the patient in the real world, in their real life. Especially in the last couple of years, there has been a distinction made among hearing aid companies as to how their hearing aids perform when there's background noise, which is probably the number one issue that people with hearing loss have. All the hearing aids that I have seen over the last 27 years, hundreds if not thousands of them, they all look good on paper, and they all look good on the computer screen. But what matters, and the proof of the pudding, as they say, is how they do when somebody is at home or at work or in a restaurant or at their favorite store living their life. And I can tell you that not all the hearing aid companies are the same in that regard. Another issue is how well their hearing aids are constructed or actually manufactured. Are they durable, or are we going to be sending them in for repair every time we turn around? Are they going to last the amount of time that we want them to, or that we think they reasonably should? And then another area that I have found over the years that's been really important is the quality of the customer service that you get, to be honest with you. Even the best hearing aids from the best hearing aid manufacturer from time to time can malfunction, or there can be a problem of some sort. And when a problem does arise, the question is my problem going to be a priority for this hearing aid company? And sometimes the answer to that is yes, and sometimes it's not. So at least for those three reasons, I have found that there is a difference, and that it does in fact matter which company manufactured your hearing aids. It matters a great deal, as a matter of fact. So if you come to our office and have your hearing evaluated, and we feel that you could benefit from amplification, from doing a trial period with hearing aids, based upon what your hearing needs are and based upon your hearing loss, we are going to recommend something very specific from a specific hearing aid manufacturer for the reasons that I just discussed. Now, some of you, if not all of you, are probably thinking, go ahead and just tell me which company is the best so I'll know. I'm not going to do that. I don't need to do that because right now, as I'm recording this, it is the summer of 2025. I don't know when you're watching it, but if you were to present me with this same question The summer of 2026, for example, the answer might change. Sometimes as time goes on and the companies continue to research and develop new products, sometimes company number 2 on the list overtakes the number 1 spot because of the new products that they've developed and come out with. And so on any given week, day, month, or year, the answer to that question can certainly vary. And it's our job to stay on top of that. It's our job to make sure that we know what hearing aid manufacturer is going to do the job that you need done to help you to hear better and to live better. So thank you so much for a few minutes of your time. If you or somebody you know or love has a hearing problem, we would love to be a part of the solution. If you would like to make an appointment, if you would like to ask questions about this topic or any other topic, or if there's anything that we can do to help you in any way in your hearing journey, reach out. You can find us online at www.hearingaidsjonesboro.com. You can email us at info@hearingaidsjonesboro.com, or you can call the office. Our number is 870-268-1488. Please reach out if we can do anything for you. And thanks again for tuning in and giving me a couple of minutes of your time. Have a great day.